Okay, so last section using a step function. So we want to write step equations for these ones. So this one here looks like from 0 across to 2, it takes the value 1. So it's 1 if x is between 0, which is included, and 2, which isn't. It then takes the value 1, 2, 3, 3 when x is between 2 included, 3, 4, and 4, which isn't. And it then takes the value 5 for x from 4 included across to 6 not included. Okay, this one here has a few more bits to it. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's taken the value 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5 from, for x between negative 5 not included and 4 included. It then takes the value 4 for x from, sorry, that's negative 4 to negative 3. Yep. It then takes the value 3 if x is between negative 3 and 2. That one there should just be, oh no, that was the less than or equal to. This end is a less than. Got to look at these blank circles. I made the same mistake here. See, it's easy to make mistakes. It's just a case of making sure you spot them. And 2, x is between negative 2. That one's the blank circle. And of course, that was negative 2 there. And less than or equal to negative 1. And the final part of that is 1 if x is between negative 1 and it finishes up at 0, and that one seems to be included. Okay, the weekday parking rates for a garage are shown. Write down the function with charges. So it's $3 per half hour and $18 maximum for 2 hours. So this will be a function of t, I guess, rather than x. Doesn't really matter too much. I think we might have trouble fitting them all in this bracket. So they're going to charge us 3 for t between 0 and half an hour, 0.5. Then it will go up to 6 if t is between 0.5 and 1. I'm not sure exactly which ends the less than or equal to's. Doesn't really matter, I don't think, too much. That's going to be between 1 and 1.5. Then 12 if t is between 1.5 and 2. And then it's going to go up to 15 if t is between 2 and 2.5. We didn't get them filled in. The maximum is $18. So $18 is going to be anything from 2.5 hours through to the maximum of 12 hours. So now I want to be consistent with the solutions for the take home, and the less than or equal to's are on this end here. So that's fine. They're consistent. So the parking charge for 2 hours is the included one here, so that's going to be $12. 1 hour and 15 minutes would be in this range here, so that would be $9. 5 hours would be in this last range here, so we've got to pay $18 for that. And 8 hours is also in that last range, so that's $18. Okay, so we've only got a couple of bits to go. Let's try and get that one in screen. There we go. So consider the step function below. Complete the table first. So weight in ounces, cost of postage. So for 2, we can see the cost is 48. 2.2, we'd have to go up to the next one. So that would be 50. At 3, that's exactly on this one, so that would be 50 as well. 3.5, we'd have to go up to this next bar, which is at 52. And 4 would be exactly on this one, so that's 52 as well. If it cost 54 cents to mail the letter, how many ounces did it weigh? Okay, so it cost 54, which is this one here. So really the weight could be anything. Which one was the 54 again? It was this one here, wasn't it? It could be anything from 4, but not including 4, up to 5. Okay, so last question, which is a good job because I've got a class coming in a minute. So, suppose I start a cleaning business. I decide to charge each client based on how many hours I work for that client. My charge structure is as follows. Okay, so this is a step function. So less than 1 hour is going to be $10. So it's less than, so that one is the 1 hour up to 2 hours. So like that, we know what these circles mean by now. It's 20. 2 hours up to 3 hours is 30. 3 hours up to 4 hours is going to be 40. And 4 hours up to 5 hours would be 50, and I'm pretty sure that we can put this one in as well. So charge for the following amounts of cleaning done. So 1.5 hours is going to be $20. And 2 hours, now that's where the gap is, so we have to go up to the next one, so we charge $30 at that point. So question 13 just says you're to work through the maths-based tasks on piecewise functions and step functions. So I suppose, I'm not sure we still have the membership for you guys. Actually, we probably do. So I will need to try and sort that out. But anyway, you should have seen enough in the actual task, and I'll get on to this.